everyone, my name is Tanvi Sarangi and I have completed the autonomous robotic course. My project is a smart suitcase. Here you can see. Let us say my hand is a person. You can see it following a person. You can also see inside there's an integrated LCD. While it's moving, it shows searching, and while the person is standing in one place, it shows waiting. Here you can see it properly. In the front, there are 3 IR sensors which help it detect. And this is the entire program. For this I have used the Arduino microcontroller and used the Arduino program to write code. Up here is the shield which helps me make it. I hope you like it. Thank you.